Make a new sprite, then make a circle 22 by 22 with any color. Then add when green flag clicked and add three variables: direction, length, and score. Add set direction to up, add set length to 0, and add a score to 0. Go to x0, y0. Add forever. Then add if direction equal up, then change y by y to 5. Then duplicate it and only change y to -5. Duplicate it again. This time remove, change y and add change x by 5 and direction equal right. Duplicate it again, change x by -5 and lastly add create a clone of myself. When up arrow key pressed, add if not direction equal down. Then add set direction to up. Duplicate it, change it to up and set direction to down. Duplicate it again, right arrow, direction equal left and set direction to right. Duplicate it, change it to left arrow, set direction equal right, set direction to left. If you want, you can duplicate it and do with WASD. Add when I start as a clone, wait length seconds from the variables, and then delete this clone. When green flag clicked, add forever. If touching edge, then stop all. Add a new sprite, take any food, then set the size to 40. When green flag clicked, go to and pick random from 240 to minus 240. Why? Pick random 180 to minus 180. Forever, if touching snake, then change length by 0.2 and score by 1. Duplicate the go to X, pick random 242 minus 240, Y pick random 182 minus 180 and put it underneath, change score by 1. and the game works perfectly fine. Oh wait, I forgot to change that. And if you wanna add more fruits, just pick the one you like. For example, I pick watermelon. And if the sprite has other one, just remove them and only have the main one. And if you don't want to make the whole thing from scratch, go to the fruit one and click on it and drag it to the watermelon. And now this code is copied in there. Done. You can now grind this game or add your creativity in this.